Ever found yourself staring at your phone, heart pounding, as you wait for that transaction to go through? Or maybe you've been there, caught off guard by an unexpected expense, and your account balance is looking a little too cozy for comfort. If you've experienced these financial heartstoppers, you are not alone. But what if there was a safety net? A financial cushion to catch you when life throws you a curveball? That's where Koho Cover comes in. Let's break it down. What is Koho Cover, really? Is it a magic money tree? A financial fairy godmother? Nope, it's actually a smart financial tool designed to help you navigate those unexpected bumps in the road. Imagine this, you're out with friends, ready to enjoy a night out. You pull out your card to pay, and bam, declined. The dreaded decline transaction. It's embarrassing, and it can really put a damper on your evening. With Koho Cover, that nightmare scenario becomes a thing of the past. It's like having a trusted sidekick, always ready to step in and save the day. But how does it actually work? Well, picture Koho Cover as a little financial umbrella. When the rain starts pouring, unexpected expenses, your umbrella opens up, protecting you from getting soaked, overdraft fees, declined transactions. You get a pre-approved cash advance, up to a certain amount, that you can access instantly. No credit checks, no hassle. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, there's a small monthly fee for the Cover subscription. But let's be real, peace of mind is priceless. Plus, the potential savings from avoiding overdraft fees can quickly outweigh the cost. So, when do you use Koho Cover? The beauty of it is, you can use it whenever you need it. Maybe it's that surprise car repair, a medical bill that popped up unexpectedly, or even just a tight month where you need a little extra breathing room. The choice is yours. But here's the thing, Koho Cover isn't a magic money machine. It's a tool to help you manage your finances better. It's about being prepared for life's little surprises, not relying on it as a crutch. Responsible use is key. So, to recap, Koho Cover is a cash advance feature that gives you access to extra funds when you need them most. It's like having a financial safety net. There's a small monthly fee, but the benefits can outweigh the cost. And remember, it's a tool, not a solution to long-term financial problems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.